Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm Mike from Those Who Glamp Together. We're here with Kevin from East to West. He is over the Fifth Wheel lineup, and we actually have two of them for you today. We're going to go into those. One is for couples and one is for families. If you are looking into stepping up from the travel trailer line into your first fifth wheel, but you don't want to go massive and long and heavy, these two might be for you. So we're going to let Kevin take over and share what we got going on here.
So one of the big things that we're trying to do is really get specific and intentional with what we're doing with the lineup. So with Tandara, we have this new model, nice and short, really light. It's a part of the half-ton series. We want to have a couples model that you can hook up to and go have all the benefits of a fifth wheel. So really towable, easy to maneuver, nice big headspace up in the upper deck. Because we've redesigned our front cap, we have more space up there. So even though it's a little light, short unit, you still get that benefit of the towability and how big it feels inside.
Awesome. Let's go check it out.
All right.
All right, so our first model is the Tandara 235 ML. This is for couples. It is a prototype, so it is a new model. We don't have any numbers as far as length and weight, but my guess is it's roughly around 27 foot, and it's going to probably be around 8,000 to 9,000 pounds dry is my guess. But we won't know until we get the official numbers on that. So with that said, we're going to let Kevin take over and check out the whole inside of this beautiful rig.
So again, our half-ton series, what we want to do is be able to have short, little, light fifth wheels, but all the benefits of a fifth wheel. So you have the towability, you have the high ceilings, you have a lot of big windows. I love this one because the living area, it's nice and sectioned off. You have the big rear kitchen, you still have your back window, you have windows on both sides. By putting the refrigerator into the slide, you actually help condense everything and keep everything really nice and tight. One of the things we like to do with East to West is have our seating area directly across from a TV. And again, this is kind of the upgraded theater seats. You could also do an easy out sofa if you wanted to have space for people to sleep. You got the nice dinette storage space. There's a shoe cubby behind this bench, and then here you have some storage underneath. Again, as manufacturers, storage is probably one of our biggest challenges. So we have this pantry / closet built in and lots of places to keep all of your items. So remember, the benefit for a short, light, half-ton fifth wheel is going to be, it's not that intimidating of a step up from a travel trailer, maybe somebody's first fifth wheel. It's going to be nice and light, easy to maneuver. So think like Canada out west, you're going to have lots of space. That you can still have a smaller camper. And then I like with the new redesigned front cap, the headspace that you get. Again, even though it is half-ton towable, you still have lots of living room in the bedroom and the bathroom.
So we just saw the couples version with the Tandara. Now we have the Blackthorn 279BH, which is the bunkhouse for families with kids. And I tell you what, this is going to be just as impressive, in my opinion. Kevin, why don't you tell us what we got here?
Well, remember, it's a part of that half-ton series, so we really want it to be able to be little, light, but a fifth wheel and still be able to be towable. We did redesign that front cap, so lots of headspace up in the bathroom and the bedroom. But now we want people to be able to bring their kids.
Blackthorn now, and this is a beautiful family's rig. We're going to let Kevin take us through it and see the differences and what appeals to you most.
So again, half-ton series, we want it to be towable, we want it to be light, but for the family, we need spaces for bunks. So this one, even though it's a shorter fifth wheel, nice and light, it is, and it's a prototype, we don't have any of the details yet, it does have triple bunks. So you have one big bunk over at the top, you have your second bunk, and then the bottom bunk mat. And then we did also build in some cabinetry. Again, storage is always so important as manufacturers for our campers. We want to make sure we have as much as we can. And then I love the kitchen, right? You still get a ton of countertop space, which allows us to have lots and lots of storage. We're able to keep the unit nice and light and utilize all the space by having the refrigerator in the slide out. You got a nice big U-shaped dinette. Again, 3 bunks where you can sleep kids or guests. You got this U-shaped dinette, nice and big once you rearrange all the cushions. Oh, and you look so comfortable, but this is that easy out sofa, so that actually comes out. It's about the size of a queen size bed, spring loaded. You can easily sleep 2 more adults there. And then remember, the half ton, the big deal that we have is that we're gonna, with the new redesigned front cap, we're gonna give you lots of space, especially head space up and in the bedroom and in the bathroom.
All right, so Kevin was talking about headspace in the bedroom. I'm 6'2", and there's plenty of room for me in here. Hey guys, if you are looking to just step into the fifth wheel world for the first time, these are 2 incredible rigs to look at. Tell us which one you like best and why. And if you have a family, if you like this one, or if you like the other one best, or vice versa, if you're a couple, which one do you like best? We'd love to know. We're just curious like that. We thank you for your time and attention, and as always, happy glamping.